Good morning, everyone. In this video, I will explain in details how you can make use of a smartphone to earn in dollars without leaving your comfort zone. This video is not only for adults, it's also available for teenagers. As far you have access to a smartphone, as far you have access to a laptop, as far you have access to a data connection, as far you can read and write, this video is for you. And what I love about this business is that you don't need to resume to a shop, you don't need to import a product, you don't need to deliver a product, you don't even need to take a record of a product. Your only is just to promote the product and then earn money without leaving your comfort zone. So make sure you watch the video today to get more details on how you can make use of a smartphone to earn $30, $20, $50, $100 with your smartphone without stressing yourself. Okay, the name of the platform is called Grodital Affiliate Platform. Grodital Affiliate Platform is divided into two sessions. The first session is that you'll be able to learn IP data skills with just your smartphone, such as graph design, lead generation, how to create a landing page, how to create a sales funnel, copywriting, video editing, and also you will learn graph design, how to create a flyer, ebook, business card. You will learn all these skills in this Gota affiliate platform. And the other session is that you'll be able to make use of this platform to earn money without even stressing yourself, without even having your own personal product. Your own is just to promote someone's product and you earn a cool amount of money. And in this platform we have the low ticket product and the high ticket product. So I'm going to show you the low ticket product are product that is not cost. Maybe a product is like 7,000, 6,000, 10,000 is a low ticket product and you earn commission. And we have a high ticket product like 26,000, 50,000, 20,000 and you earn a high commission. So I'm going to tap on Grota, Grodital, Grota. So I'm going to log into my account. Sorry, I'm going to log in. Okay. We have affiliate, vendor, learner. As a vendor are people that has products. You can maybe you are into fashion design, you want to create a product, you can create a product and upload it on this platform, and other affiliate marketer will help you to promote and you earn a lot of money. Learner are people that get course on this platform and they want to learn. So affiliate, I'm going to sign in. I have your account already on this platform, so I'm going to sign right now. Okay. So as a beginner, your dashboard will look like this. This place will be $000. This three will be 000. Total of places, and this three says gave me $28.30. So let me just convert it to right now. Okay, this platform pay in dollars, cedis, naira, FCFA, and KSH. So I'm going to change it to naira. What I love about this platform is that I love that dollar rates. I love that dollar rates, and this three says generates 39,620. 39,620. Assuming you are having three sales every week, every week, every week, that is 40,000 every week. So can you see the beauty of affiliate marketing business? Because one sales generates 13,230. So can you see the beauty of affiliate market? So I'm going to show you different product you can promote on this platform to generate a lot of money as a student, undergraduate, full housewife, graduate, or a 9 to 5 worker. Okay, this is the new oil program. It's 26,460 and your commission is 50%. That means you're earning 13,230. And what I love about affiliate marketing is that on each sales you earn 13,230. Every sales you earn commission, every sales you earn commission, every sales. When someone click on your link to get a course, you earn commission. This one is importation. Maybe you have someone that wants to learn importation, you can recommend this course to them, and when they pay, you earn 13,000 plus. And this video editing, maybe you have someone that wants to learn video editing, you promote it and you earn a commission of 12,516 naira. So this is a low ticket product. All this one are high ticket products. This is a low ticket product. 4-2, you earn 2-1. This one is smartphone graph design. 30,380, you earn 15,000. Facebook YouTube cash 70,000. So that is 35,000. So this is how to promote. Okay, camera flash design, smartphone photo editing 21,000. Yeah, when you say 10,000, 10,005 commission. Can you see? This is 35,000 and the commission is 17%, that is 24,500. Let me say you were able to generate 2.6 for this course. That would be 49,000. That would be 49,000. You're earning 49,000, someone's salary in just 2.6. So you can promote any of these products. You can promote any of the products, and before you promote this product, you need to understand everything about it. You need to learn content chemistry 9-1, photo editing prompts, contact gain as rated. So these are the course you can promote. This course is 69,860 and the commission is 34,930. So there's a lot of products you can promote here. There's a lot of products you can promote. This look to get 7,000, 14,000. So you can stroll to get details about these courses. So if you want to promote any of these courses, you are going to come to this place. Okay, let me say, assume you want to promote this, the new oil program. You tap on promote now, then you scroll down. Okay, top says top sold. You scroll down, you see 26,000 for 50 because your earning is 13,230. You scroll down and you tap on copy affiliate link. Can you see? So whenever you talk about the course and someone says, okay, I'm interested, I want to learn this, you send your affiliate link to the person, and when that person pays through that affiliate link, you receive an email that someone has bought a course and you're going to receive an email. And also when you go to your dashboard, you're going to see your money on your dashboard. And on this platform they pay every Saturday. Every Saturday when you withdraw on Saturday, you get your money directly to local bank accounts. Any account you have, even if you want to use paper, any account you want to use, you will be able to earn a lot of money. So that is how you can earn money through affiliate marketing business. So if you want to get started as an affiliate marketer, you need to understand what affiliate marketing is all about. That is why this course is available for you, because before you start a business, before you can become successful in a business, you need to understand everything about the business. You need to understand the in and out of that business. So if you are interested in starting affiliate marketing and you want to learn everything about this IP data I've mentioned, video editing, graphic design, copywriting, lead generation, how to create a landing page, how to create a website, how to create a sales funnel, this course is for you. The new oil program I own. And also when you get this course, you have access to your affiliate platform. Apart from getting this IP data skills, you have access to your affiliate platform where you will learn how, when you learn everything about affiliate marketing and other benefits. So can you see? So tell me, did I lose? No, I did not lose. I registered for 26,460. I was able to get back my money. So affiliate marketing business is a win-win for you. If I get more six on this platform, again, I've generated my money back, the money I used for the registration. I've generated. I have other affiliate platforms that I make use. I make use of 3 platforms right now, and by the special grace of God, I've earned through that platform. I've earned through that platform. So if you want to get started, this is the right time for you to get started as a student, undergraduate, 9 to 5 workers, or a full housewife that need a stream of income. You can start right now, and you are not losing anything. You are not losing anything. Let me assume, okay, you were able to get like 10 sales, yeah, 10 sales, 20,000 10 sales, that is 130 plus. Please, are you gaining or are you losing? Apart from getting that knowledge, you are also earning money through the affiliate platform. So I'm going to show you what you are going to learn in this course. So I've copied my link right now. I'm going to paste it. Okay, let me paste it now. I'm going to allow it to load. So so can you see? Turn your phone into money making. So I'm going to show down what you're going to, you will learn step by step how to begin affiliate marketing and earn from it even if you've never done it. You discover how to make people trust you and want to buy from you. You know how to get people from WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, more to check. You learn how to use simple words message that make people excited. So you just throw them. Look at testimony. Look at testimony. Look, just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. This guy said, affiliate marketing got me all this. True. So okay, just go through it. Johnson, go through it. So can you see? Some of the one welcome address, cost, trust, your meta. So you just go introducing affiliate marketing, finding your right niche, personal branding. You're going to learn product selection, leads and traffic, basic, and a lot. Okay, this and a lot. So can you see, I made my first sales within a week. I have no idea what to start with affiliate marketing until I joined the TIO program. The way it was explained, made everything is so clear. I made my first sales just 6 days after starting. I have tried from YouTube tutorials before, but nothing comes close. How practical and ready training is, I finally understand how to attract people, talk to them, and process. I used my WhatsApp and made over 400,000 in 2 weeks. I did not even know I could use WhatsApp to sell like the program. So can you see? So if you want to get started, if you want to learn everything about affiliate marketing, you want to get access to all these skills, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link and get access. And what I love about affiliate marketing is that it is one-time payment. One-time payment. It's a one-time payment. You don't have to pay again. So it's a one-time payment. You're having access to an affiliate platform where you sell people's products to end commission, and also you are having access to a course that will teach you everything about affiliate marketing and others different data skills that will help you in your affiliate marketing business and also your offline business. And what I love about affiliate marketing, this course again, you can master one of the course. Okay, maybe you can master graphic design and create a product around it. And even though you can render yourself, there are so many business owners that want someone that will create flyers, um, business cards, church journey flyer, hospital and stuff like that. You can say you can render your service to them. Lead generation, you can master lead generation, you can master video edit and render your service to people. So you're earning 2 ways. So you are not losing. It's a win-win for you. It's a win-win for you, and your affiliate platform is there for life. Is there for life. Even though you decide to quit like 2 months and come back, you will meet your affiliate partner, you will meet your course there. Maybe you forget some things, you can go back there to rewatch the video and learn everything you needed to know. So affiliate market is a win-win for both of you. It's a win-win for you. So if you want to get started right now, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link and get started. So in this year 2026, everything is easy now. It's very easy to make use of a smartphone to earn money. It's very easy. And also, if you want to learn graphic design course, if you want to learn video editing, if you want to learn how to create a YouTube channel, just send a message to me. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number in the description below. Maybe you have any course you have any skills you want to learn, but you don't you don't have any information about a good mentor. I can recommend a good mentor. I can recommend a good course for you that will help you. So just click on that link in the description below to get started. My WhatsApp number is there. You can send me over. You can send me a message on my WhatsApp. And also, if you want to get started on Grodital, you can click on the link to get started. So I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things this morning, and make sure you take action. There's a lot of information in internet connection, but you need to take action. If you want to earn money, you need to take action. Yes, every day you pray, God give me money, God give me money. If you don't take action, you can't see that money. You can never see that money. Do you understand? So you have to take action. Yes, prayer is very important. But when you pray without taking action, you are just wasting your time. So this is the high time for you to make use of the smartphone to earn money. Your smartphone is not only to chat. Your smartphone is not only to monitor your celebrity lifestyle. No. Your smartphone, you can make use of it to earn money. You can also make use of it to render service to people. So this is a great opportunity. And also, if you want to learn how to create a product from your ideas, from your knowledge, from your skill, maybe you're a fashion designer, a caterer, yeah, maybe you're into anything and you want another stream of income. Do you know that you can convert your ideas, your knowledge into a book? If you want to learn how to create and sell your products, just send me a message through my app, to my WhatsApp link. I'm going to recommend a course that will teach you how to create a product, how to sell, and how to put it in an affiliate platform where affiliate marketer will help you to promote and you generate a lot of money apart from generating your offline money. Do you understand? So I hope this video has helped one. I hope this video has helped you. So make sure you like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and also make sure you share.